The 7 simple steps to opening a self-directed precious metals IRA. A self-directed IRA enables you to go beyond traditional asset categories and choose alternative assets, such as precious metals. With a self-directed precious metals IRA, also known as a Gold IRA, a custodian buys and holds precious metals on the account holder's behalf. A self-directed precious metals IRA can help you achieve portfolio diversification and help protect you from economic and inflationary fluctuations. Opening a self-directed precious metals IRA account is easy with U.S. Money Reserve. First, contact one of our trusted account executives and let them know you are ready to open a precious metals self-directed IRA. Once you have contacted an account executive, you will need to complete the required application. You will need to provide your Social Security number, date of birth, a personal PIN number, and select your beneficiaries. The application has pre-filled fields and is simple to complete. Following the completion of your application, it is time to fund your self-directed precious metals IRA. This process involves either a transfer form or a 3-way call with your current custodian. Your U.S. Money Reserve account executive will help you do this. After you have taken the appropriate steps to fund your self-directed precious metals IRA, there will be a short waiting period while your funds are finalized. Once your self-directed precious metals IRA is funded, your knowledgeable U.S. Money Reserve account executive will then help you select your inventory. There are certain bullion products that are eligible to be held in a self-directed precious metals IRA account. Some of these products include gold and silver American Eagles, Philharmonics, and Canadian maple leaves. In addition, one can buy gold Australian kangaroos, gold American buffaloes, and silver Australian kookaburra. There are also various gold, silver, platinum, and palladium rounds and bars that are eligible. Once the inventory is selected, your custodian will handle the payment and ensure that the funds are processed. After your custodian has ensured payment, your precious metals are safely delivered to an IRS-approved depository of your choosing, as the IRS will not allow you to possess the physical metals while they are held in the IRA. Setting up a precious metals IRA account has never been easier. With U.S. Money Reserve, the process is streamlined, and anyone can have precious metals within their self-directed IRA account in a matter of days or weeks. Call U.S. Money Reserve today with any questions you may have about a self-directed precious metals IRA, and work with one of our highly trained IRA account executives to select the right gold and silver products for you. Click the link in the description to request your free Precious Metals IRA Information Kit. It is full of everything you need to know about getting started on your self-directed precious metals IRA today.